People lose their lives because MRI reports miss something important. Fake health news spreads fast and causes fear, confusion, even death. Scientists spend months waiting for the right idea to move research forward. Is there a better way? Yes, we call it Nexora AI. Hello everyone, myself is Ross Singh and welcoming you all to our demo for Nexora AI, our submission for the BioXAI hackathon. Along with my amazing team, we have built a powerful open source platform that brings together AI, knowledge, graphs, and explainability to accelerate scientific discoveries. Nexora is designed to assist researchers and clinicians by generating research hypotheses, analyzing MRI scans, summarizing biomedical news, and allowing direct interaction through a conversational assistant we call NexoGPT. Our goal is to bridge the gap between raw biomedical data and actionable insights with explainability, transparency, and usability at the core. Vision and impact. At Nexora, we imagine a future where scientific knowledge is not just stored, it's connected, explained, and used in real time to generate discoveries. From research labs to hospitals, we want to make science smarter, faster, and more accessible. This vision aligns perfectly with the hackathon's mission of building digitally native systems using knowledge graphs and AI to power real world scientific progress. Now let's take a look at the platform. Our interface is simple but powerful. With four major tools that you can access from the dashboard. They are basically MRIxAI, GenThink AI, NexoGPT, NewsNX, and About Us section. Talking about each individually, if we go to the MRIxAI one, this project is basically MRI detector. This tool uses deep learning to scan MRI images and flag anomalies. But more than that, we have added explainability using visualization overlays so doctors can see why a result is flagged. To use this, basically, you have to go to the menu section and browse a file. Make sure your file is nii.gz type or a zip file. Like, let's take a user who is our customer. His name is basically Chris, right? If he will be uploading his MRI report to our project within few fraction of second, our system will track his MRI report and give a graph on it. Here we have many features like brain opacity, tumor opacity, show access, show legend. What does this do? Show access basically shows the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis which is basically a 3D visualization of the MRI. As you can see, the MRI portion is basically generated in a 3D view, and here with the basic instruction provided, the brain color is basically white or grey portion and the tumor color is red one. If your graph considers this type of red portion, this basically means there is a tumor in your brain, and the white portion is normal, which shows it is normal and it is basically a brain graph. Now we can also take a look at the summary. What does this summary shows is basically this is a AI generated part where the AI generates the summary of your MRI report, which is really time saving, and it also helps you to save your time and also gives your MRI report within few fraction of seconds. Like see here, you will get to know that you are basically suffering from what type of brain tumor, and also the detection confidence is relatively low at 35%. You will be getting all the data regarding your MRI report. And now let's check into the another user, for example Y. Let's upload his MRI report. See how quickly the graph vanishes from the website, and within few fraction of second the new added user graph MRI report will also be analyzed and you will get the output. See, as the MRI report 3D visualization is generated, here there is no red dot or no red marks, means the user is completely normal. There is no tumor in his brain. And now if we will go to the summary portion, here you can see that the tumor volume and percentage are reported as 0, which means the user is normal. And if you go to the details, here you will get basically a short form or a concluded version of the summary, like the tumor regions is 0, average tumor intensity is 0, volume, initial hypostasis. We have another feature and all the data regarding it. Now going back to home, we have our next feature, which is basically hypothesis generator. This is also called as Genomics AI. To start your hypothesis, basically you have to go to this portion and start the system. Currently the system is stopped. You have to click on the start to start the hypothesis generation. As you can see, till now we have generated total 2558 hypotheses, which can be really helpful for the scientists or those who take interest in the research field. When you click on the start, within few seconds a hypothesis will be generated for you. And this is basically using structured biomedical data. We use AI and graph techniques to discover non-obvious connections and propose new research hypotheses. As you can see, Nexora suggests plausible, explainable hypotheses along with confidence levels designed to spark new direction in scientific research. Now let's again go back to the dashboard section. And now moving on to the next portion, which is Nexora GPT, also known as Nexo GPT. Finally meet Nexo GPT, our conversational assistant. You can ask it questions about your MRI scan, get a breakdown of a hypothesis, or even ask for news summaries, all in a natural language. For example, let's talk to it. Hi. This replies within fraction of second. This bridges the gap for non-technical users and make advanced data approachable for all. And now moving back, we have News Annex. What does this do? The news analyzer helps researchers stay up to date. Crawls biomedical news and summarizes them using NLP techniques, highlighting key findings, relevance, and research trends. In the era of misinformation, especially in healthcare, this feature plays a critical role in making sure only quality relevant updates reach the user. For more, if you go to the read more section, you will get the source of the news and additional info. Now moving to the About Us section, This basically shows the brief info of the project Nexora AI, the problem we solve, our solutions, and a few introductory parts. Thank you for watching our demo of Nexora AI. We believe this is just the beginning of what is possible when biology and AI come together, with explainability and openness at the core. We are proud to be part of this open source movement and hope to see Nexora evolve in the larger DSI ecosystem. Feel free to explore our GitHub and documentation for more. Thank you.